It was a long day, but we stopped here to eat. I think you're going to find this place kind of interesting. It's out there at Salton Sea. So take a look. Enjoy. Well, we're probably going to show you a little bit more of that because I'm sure we're going to drive down that way. That's the Salton Sea, if you've ever heard of it. It's a dead lake full of salt water. We're going to go down there and check that out. But right now, we've stopped here at Bombay Beach. Everybody has told us to stop here for food. Man, you should have cell service, huh? So that's where we are. We're here at Bombay Beach. I think it's the town of Bombay, if I remember right. But put it on your bucket list and check it out. I'm going to go in there right now and we'll show you what it's like inside. And then it's got seating out back. Even Hank's in there now. So let's go look inside, shall we? They got dollar bills stuck everywhere. So if they ever retire, they'll have their retirement money hanging here and there. Here we go. Let's go in and check it out. It'll be probably next month before that one will come out.
Okay, we'll be ready.
All right. This young man just gave us a bunch of toys for Hank.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You bet.
That is.
And here's where we're sitting, back here where it's rock and roll only.
That was deserted.
Hank's right here.
Are moved
So
out there.
that's what she looks like back here. I'll show you the food in just a minute when he gets here.
And they.
Well, we got our food.
Oh.
It looks pretty yummy. Mine's got a pepper thing on it. Vickie's yum yum. Ooh.
That's a pretty good looking burger.
Yeah, we'll eat that. Food, just a little bit on the expensive side, but it's the only cafe around. Well, that was a pretty nice little lunch we had. But that little burger and Coke was 20 bucks. Yeah, we're in California. And this is the Salton Sea. Surf's up. That little house down there on the beach. Now you can get that house right down there. What'd they say? 400,000 for that little house down there on the beach? Wasn't that about right?
I think so.
I think so, yeah.
$399.99.
Yeah, it's a cheap one. See if we can zoom in on that thing. Where is it at? Where is it at? I lost it. There it is. All right. Anyway, this is the beach of here. Yeah, see, this guy's going. He ain't scared. Ooh, yeah. There went the back of that truck. Yeah, but he was hitting the bed of his truck on that thing. Oh well, not mine. Anyway, that's a long walk to the beach. I think we could go over there and get to it, but I don't know if I want to. That's it. Got some art here, so-called art. Held up with sticks. More art there, whatever that is. Can you smell the beach? Hope that guy's got a four-wheel drive. He's gonna need it out there.
Wow, I couldn't believe he went over that berm.
He barely did.
Is that tire slanted out on the right? Yeah. I thought so.
Both sides. I thought so.
Bent axle? Yeah, he's got it bent. Anyway, that's Salton Sea, pretty big. Goes all the way from over there to over there. I might walk down there and see if there's anything to film. If there is, I will. Vickie said she wants to go skinny dipping in there. Doesn't he? You don't like the smell out here. Can you smell? I can't smell it. I must have a cold or something.
Stinks.
Stinks? All right, I'm gonna walk down there a little bit and see what I can see. Well, I'm walked quite a ways and I'm only halfway there. I'm gonna try to talk Charlie into getting in the Jeep and we'll go down there. Cause that's farther away than it looks, apparently. And it's getting muddy. If we can't get down there, we can't. Might be the end of the video. Had a great day with the Blood family. I've even seen some new things. They definitely seen a lot of new things. And anyway, if we go down there, I'll get more. If not, this will be where it ends, right here. Hope you enjoyed that. Hey, and let me give you a little information that I was told about the Salton Sea. I guess it was a salt bed many years ago, thousands of years ago or whatever. But what happened was a canal they used for putting water down to the crops breached, went right in there and flooded it all out. And there's no way for the water to get out of there. So every year it gets a little less and a little less, and someday it will be back to the original form of just a dry salt lake bed. And that's what formed it. But it has a really strong odor, if you didn't notice Vickie holding her nose. Go see it. Hey, that's the end of this video.